Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got this Bravo by Digby locking tool. Let's see if we can get it picked. Let's see, we'll get a medium jimmy hook and see what happens. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing on 6. 1, 2 is binding again. Probably dropped it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Touched 5 and got a false set. Keep my finger off that tail piece in the back. May have set 6, I'm not sure. I don't think I did, nothing else is binding. Let's get something a little deeper in there, see if we got a... Alright, I felt something click there. Now, let's go back with a medium hook. 2, 3, 4, 5. Couple clicks on 5. I think it might be a serrated in there or something. 2, 3, 4, 5 again. All right, let's see. Touching 1. I'm getting counter rotation. See if anything else is binding now. 6 isn't. 5 isn't. It's probably not set high enough. There we go. 2. Trying to stay on pin 3. Just get in here with a medium hook, see if we drop something. 1, 2 again. 6, 5, 4. Six, 5, 4. Six, 5. All right, let's see where we're hung up at. Oh, we're not. All right, so we picked it. Let's set it there. We might as well use A brass digs tray for a brass digs lock. Keep that there. Keep that there. Bring it down. There we go. Get some focus. All right. We'll lock it back up. It's grubbed. Come on, you're almost there. There you go. All right, we had a spool and 6. Come on. You know what? Let's just do that. Hopefully there's nothing fancy there. Okay. I don't even know if I got a follower that's going to fit this thing, because it's oh good. There's a piece of metal there. Let's see. Can we do that? Yeah, we can. All right. Let's dump the key pins. 1, 2. That's a long one there. 3, 4, 5, and 6. See if there's anything done to the plug. I want to say no. They're kind of, I think it's just the machining, but they're kind of serrated. They feel rough. I don't know if y'all can hear that. But, it's not when I say rough, I mean more like it feels serrated, or like the machining marks. I'll put it that way. It's not rough as in he made it shitty. All right. Spool on 1. Standard on 2, which I assumed that the amount of times I had to go back and set it. 4, I don't even remember touching 4, to be honest with you. I think it might be a 0 lift. Let's go the other way. I can do that without touching the springs. That was a serrated in a 5. Okay. So I'm leaving the springs in there. I ain't worried about the springs. All right. Oh, I can't see any of that. That's all out of focus. Man, I don't know my video quality. So, yep. You got 3 spools, serrated 2 standards. Rest of the springs are in there. I'm not taking them out. So, all right, thanks.